Hey there, Paul Rhodes with another Maintenance Mindset Minute. This week, I'm at the HVAC Excellence Educators Conference, and one of the topics of conversation that is very present is the changes that industries are going to require when we go from an older refrigerant system and change it to a new A2L refrigerant. The reason why this is a big deal is because as it gets hotter this year and continuing on further out, older systems that contain refrigerants such as R410A, R438, and even for those of you who have older properties that have R22 in them, those refrigerants are going to continue to decrease in availability. In many cases, like R22, it's completely gone. We have to use a retrofit there, but that's another topic. Where the new refrigerants, specifically R32 and R454B, which are used for our comfort cooling air conditioning systems, where those are concerned, if your old system requires replacement, you must replace both sides of the system. For example, it used to be, with R410A and older refrigerant systems, we could get away with just replacing the outdoor properly sized unit and keep the indoor equipment perfectly fine, following manufacturer's recommendations and instructions, of course. With the new A2L systems, we must always replace both sides. In other words, we're going to have to do what was the standard for heat pumps. Now, every system requires both a change of the indoor unit, meaning the air handler and the evaporating coil, and the outdoor unit. The reason why we're required to replace the indoor unit is with the new A2L refrigerants. We have to have a refrigerant testing unit, which will shut down the compressor and turn on the indoor fan motor anytime a refrigerant leak is detected. Stay tuned for more.